So let us solve the problem on output equation of transformer. Based on the output equation, we can solve the problem now. So what is the problem? It is the calculate the window and core areas required for 1000 kVA 6600 bar 400 volts 50 Hz single phase core type transformer. Assuming maximum flux density is given, current density is given, volt per turn is given. Volt per turn nothing but it is the EMF per turn is given. Window space factor is given. So what you have to do is that we have to calculate the core and window area. We have to calculate the core and window area, and all the values are given. Using these data, we have to calculate the core and window area. For that, we have to use the output equation. Single phase transformer output equation we have to use. Correct? Okay. So given, what are the given data? We can say it is transformer rating is given, 1000 kVA is given. Correct? Transformer data is given. Next, what is given? So voltage is given, 6600 bar 400 volt is given. Frequency is given, 50 Hz. Next, so flux density is given. Flux density nothing but is Bm. It is the frequency. Bm is given, 1.25 Weber per meter square is given. Next, current density is given. Current density nothing but what is? Delta, 2.5 ampere per mm square. That you have to concentrate. It is given as per ampere per millimeter square is given. So we have to convert that to meter square. So while submitting that value, we can convert that. And other data is that volt per turn is given. It is nothing but EMF per turn. ET is given. So it is nothing but voltage only. That's why it is 30 volt. Window space factor is given. kW is given 0.32. So what we have to calculate is that we have to calculate the core area and window area. So what are the core area, window area we have? Core area, window area. AI is the core area that we have to calculate. Window area means AW, that we have to calculate. We have to calculate the AI and AW with the help of what? With the help of output equation of transformer. So what is that output equation? Q is equal to, for a single phase transformer, Q is equal to 2.22 frequency, flux, or in terms of Bm also we can write. So Bm into AI, AW, KW, delta, and 10 to the power of -3. This is the equation of output equation of single phase transformer. So what are things they have given? So 2.22 is a constant value, that is constant. Frequency 50 Hz is given. Bm value is given. This AI and AW value we have to calculate. KW value is given. Delta value is given. What about Q? This value also given. This is nothing but Q value. It is the rating of transformer. It is nothing but Q. So that is also given. With the help of this thing, we have to calculate these two. But two values are there. How to calculate two unknown from one equation? So before going to that, first we can calculate this AI. How to calculate this AI? We know that flux density, correct? Flux density we know. With the help of that we can calculate. What is the flux density? Bm is equal to flux by area. Flux by area. Then what about flux now? Is it given or not? No. Then how to calculate? Flux we can calculate with the help of what? ET. Correct? So with the help of ET we can calculate the flux. We substitute here, we will get the AI. So with the help of ET we can calculate. So Et is equal to 30. It is nothing but 4.44 frequency flux. So frequency is given, Et is given, this is unknown thing. Calculate that. Flux is equal to 30 divided by 4.44 into frequency is 50 Hz. We will get the flux value 0.135 Weber. So flux unit is Weber. Flux we have got now. Now from this substitute that in that equation you will get the AI. How to get that? AI is equal to phi m by Bm. So phi m is calculated 0.135. Flux density is given. What is how much value is given? 1.25. So that will be equal to 0.108 meter square. It is a flux by flux density. To give the AI will be 0.108 meter square. Right? AI is calculated. What is next thing? So AW is the left out. How to calculate that? Using Q formula. 2.22 frequency flux, or Bm also you can write. Bm into AI into AW KW 10 to the power of minus 3. Substitute that. So which is unknown thing? This is unknown thing. So AW is equal to Q divided by 2.22 frequency density AI KW 10 to the power of minus 3. Substitute all values. It is 1000 kVA. So value already is in kVA. No need to multiply 10 to the power of 3. So 1000 kVA. Don't write 10 to the power of 3 here. So only write 1000 only. Write only 1000 divided by 2.22. Frequency is 50 Hz. Bm is how much given? 1.25. AI calculated 0.108. KW is how much given? 0.32 is given. Sorry, delta is left out, right? Yes. Delta here. How much delta? How much delta we have to write? Delta is 2.5 ampere per mm square it is. So we have to write like this. Delta how much given? 2.5 ampere per mm square we have given. So you have to convert that to mm square. 2.5 into the power of 6 by meter square. So how we have written like this? So how to write this one? I will repeat here. So we have to convert this mm square into meter square. How to do that? 2.5 ampere divided by 10 to the power of minus 3. To convert mm square to meter square, so what I have done? 10 to the power of minus 6 I have done. Why it is minus 6? Minus 6 is that it is the millimeter square it is. So millimeter square means what? Millimeter means what? 10 to the power of minus 3. Millimeter square means what? Square of it. That's why to convert ampere per mm square to ampere per meter square, I have divided by 10 to the power of minus 6. So that will be equal to 2.5. If you take this 10 to the power of minus 6 in numerator, into 2.5 to the power of plus 6 into mm square. I am taking this minus 6 in numerator, it will become plus. So delta will be equal to 2.5 10 to the power of 6 ampere per mm square. Correct? Substitute that. Substitute here. So better to write here. So delta will be equal to 2.5 ampere. To convert millimeter square to meter square, I am dividing it by 10 to the power of 6. By 10 to the power of minus 6. I am taking to numerator, that's why it's a plus 6. So plus 6 ampere per square. Substitute that. So it will become 10 to the power of 6. kWL is 0.32 and one more is left out. What is that? 10 to the power of minus 3 as from the equation only it is. So it will become, so AW will become now, if you multiply all the things, we calculate, we will get the answer 83.33 10 to the power of minus 3 will get. So it will become 0.083 meter square. It is the area of window. Area of window. So how much we have calculated? AI is calculated. AI is calculated. AW we have calculated. AI how much we have got? We have got AI this much. It is the answer for that. 0.108 meter square is the AI value and AW value is 0.083 meter square. Like this we have to calculate the AI and AW. So first, before going to calculation of these things, unknown things we have to calculate. That is the main thing. Getting this one? Understanding the problem? So in this problem, so data is given. They have asked to calculate core and window area. So first what we have done? We have taken the given data, we have noted down. After that, we have calculated the AI with the help of flux density, and AW we have calculated with the help of output equation. Understanding this one? Yes.